Hello, I will be showing you my full stack JavaScript application. This uses Node, Express, PostSQL, and SQLize on the back end, and React and Redux on the front end. I will now access my site by going to the localhost server here. And as you can see, it brings up a pretty basic home page. The login button is here, but it is not currently functional, and clicking it leads to an Easter egg, so I will be leaving that out for this video. This application mainly uses two datasets, campuses and students. Students belong to campuses, and each student has a singular campus associated with them. I will now go to the campuses dataset. Here you will see that I have a data table to display the information of the campuses. And currently, the name portion can be sorted. Unfortunately, there is a bug that exists in my code, and the students registered portion cannot be sorted. As you can see, it's not doing this correctly. So for each of these, I can click more information. I'll click more information on Harvard University. And as you can see a list of all the students registered on this campus, and you can also access information for them here. I will click Edit Campus here. Brings up a form. I will take the second word out to show you how this works. Now I will click Submit. As you can see, it has changed over here. Going back to campus, I can add a campus using this form. I will make a dummy campus. It has no address. The URL I will leave blank. This will use a default URL. And for this, I will just say this is a description. I will spell that correctly. Click Submit. And as you can see, it shows up here. I can go more information for this. And as you can see, it says no students are currently enrolled. So let's go change that. I will go to the Students tab here. You will see there is a data table for this as well. And just like the campuses, you can click more information. You can edit the student as well using the form. For now, I will add a student. Just make up a name here, Christina Kelly. We'll make the email this. I will leave the student image URL blank because there is a default for that as well. GPA, I will make it 3.4. And the campus, I will put them on the dummy campus here. Click Submit. Now, if I go to the last page, you see that she has been added here. I can click more information for her. You'll see she's on this dummy campus here. I can click this and it'll also bring me to this dummy campus page. And down here, you can see that there's a student associated with it, happening to be Christina Kelly. Now, you might be wondering, if I delete a campus with students associated with it, what happens to that student? Well, if I delete the campus here before deleting the student, she will be placed in the not registered on the campus here. As you can see, the number here went up. And if I click more information, she should show up here. So if I sort by the last name, go to the second page, see there's Christina Kelly over here. Then if I click more information for her, you will see that she has been updated to go on this campus, which in this case happens to be no campus. And lastly, the one final feature I would like to show of this page is that I do have a route that shows you what happens if the route is not found. So I'll just type in some random text, and it will show you page not found here, showing one of my favorite movie characters, the Dude, for those of you who know this movie, bowing his head and showing disgust and disappointment that the page has not been found. So that is it. This has been my full stack JavaScript application. Thank you.